For the egg custard, I'm going to do 3 whole eggs, 3 egg yolks, and about 100 grams of pecorino. And it's important that we actually let this sit a little bit because it does need to emulsify in order to achieve that custardy texture, which really is what makes carbonara carbonara. So I'm going to do 3 eggs. 3 egg yolks. The way that I do separating egg yolks from whites is I just toss it back and forth between the shell till it loosens its white. And it goes right in. Oh, I need that again for the shell. So let me do that again. So I'm getting rid of the white. Just tossing it back and forth between the 2 shells until just the yolk shows up. And then about 100 grams of the pecorino, which is about, quarter cup. So 100 grams, sure, let's pivot it that way, right?
Big handful.
A large handful. Obviously, if you have a digital scale, that's the way to go. So I'm going to mix this together. I'm just making a custard like you were baking pastries. Whip it furiously. And if you are a home baker and you're familiar with the concept of like creaming your eggs, where they turn that pale yellow, this is going to be similar to that. So call it about 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, I'm going to come back. I'm going to let this hang out and come to room temperature for maybe about 10 minutes and come back and do it again.